Welcome back to my garage. I'm Jason, and I've got a good one for you today as I continually upgrade the appearance and, of course, performance on my Corvette Z06. I've been looking forward to doing this one with you for a while. Today is this, the Oracle Concept SMD Sidemarker Kit. These things are awesome. They're actually kind of hard to find because they're on back order, but I managed to get a hold of a set. But for my Corvette, what I chose is the black ghosted version, so it looks black all the time except when the light's on. The LED light strip kind of shows through, makes it kind of stealthy looking. It's a good match for the black Z06 emblems that I put on in my last video. So what we should do here is we should do an unboxing and then get to installing these. So let's go. All right, let's do this. So here's the box. It's pretty nice. You know, it's a box. Whatever, you know, quality you look for in a box, it does the job. Okay. Ready to rock. Gotta like that. That's some cool stuff. All right. Product registration. Painting instructions. These are already painted, but just in case you need to, that's the instructions to do it. Oh yeah, look at that. So these are the ghosted version, and I don't know if you're going to be able to tell, but there's that line right there where the LEDs shine through. Right about there. Pretty decent quality. All right, let's hook up power supply up to these and see what they look like. Let's see here, I think this is positive. Well, that looks cool. It's probably hard to tell in the video, but that's a pretty bright red. Cool. So that's obviously the rear. Yep, rear. Let's check out the front. Cool, bright orange. All right, I'm going to install this and see what it does, see what it looks like. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to T15 Torx. And we're going to just unscrew the screw that holds the taillight in. Put that in a safe place. And then we're just going to pull the taillight out nice and easy. Might be a good time to clean this out in here. It collects a lot of dirt and crud. And now for the fun part. You get to play proctologist with your car. So you got to reach in and find the tabs that hold this in. Gently, if you can reach them, push to release them, and I'll show you what they look like. There. So, as you're looking at it, these tabs right here. Put that in a safe place. So once again, while you're here, a lot of dirt, maybe some wax and such collects here. Be a good time to clean that out. And replacement is just the opposite order. Just line the pins up with the holes. And gently push in. And then just make sure it works, which it does, and it looks like $1,000,000. Then just put the taillight back in, and you're done with the rears. For the fronts, you have to get to the light by removing this flare. I use this, but you can use a screwdriver, socket, whatever. Once you have access to the light, it's similar to the rear. You just reach in and find those pins and start pushing. Now the problem is that they break easy in the fronts, I've been told. There we go. Yep, already broken. Oh well, no big deal. I didn't know that until now. And by now, you know the drill. How's it look? Beautiful. Then just button up the fender flare and you're good. It's pretty hard to get accurate depictions of what these look like, so I've got just my overhead garage light on but not my actual shop lights on, so you can get an idea of what it looks like. This is very, very orange, not quite yellow as it may show up in the video. But they do definitely stand out. Looks like $1,000,000 at night when you're driving. And even during the day, they are bright enough to stand out. Overall, the quality of these things is pretty cool. I love the way that that looks, just that laser line of LEDs. It's pretty cool looking. I know that in my next video, I got to do something about the tail lights. I've taken care of the side emblem, the side marker lights, all 4 of them, but the tail lights now, they don't quite match up. So in my next video, we're going to be fixing that as well. In fact, I might even do an LED bulb shootout in the near future. So in order to stay tuned on that one, bam, right there. Subscribe. That way you get notification as to when I do the future videos. I appreciate you hanging out with me in my garage. I'm going to go and take a drive.